Hi everyone, I'm Niharika. I'm going to talk about circuits and sound. What is sound? I am speaking. You're able to hear me. Now, this is because the air around me vibrates as I speak. This vibration, when it reaches you, you are able to hear me. So basically, we can say sound travels through a medium. Media can be air, water, or any object. But this is interesting. When there is no air, that is vacuum, we cannot hear us. So let's see how we can produce sound. Here's a buzzer with me and to produce sound with it. This is electronic buzzer. What does electronic stand for? Electronic stands for any object in a device which requires a battery here, to work with. This is an electronic buzzer and I'm going to create a simple circuit of a buzzer. So I've connected the black wires together. As soon as I bring the red wires close, it creates some sound. Now what is that? This battery over here is a 3-volt cell. What it does is it gives out electricity, gives out power. What is this electricity? It is the flow of electrons from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. Don't mistake it with the flow of current. Current flows from positive to negative terminals. Here is the buzzer connected to the battery and getting sound. Thank you.